Okay, you understand when we multiply a number, integer, a complex number in with minus or any number, then magnitude will change. Okay, only
Okay.
magnitude will change. Clear?
Okay.
When
Yeah. Okay.
2 is theta, if we multiply minus, then if we take minus 2 common, then in this way we can get minus 2 c theta. Okay.
Okay. Got it.
So if you feel difficult, then you should expand it and then multiply, then you can take, you can understand.
Okay.
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 Wait,
Okay.
I checked the answer 15b4 and 15b4. Wait. You understand. Again, understand. Okay. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
Here, this is multiplication. Okay, this is multiplication.
Okay.
In other form, we know how to do. Okay, so because it is a negative number is also integer. This is the multiplication of integer. Okay, understand?
Okay. Okay.
This is a minus z. Minus z means minus 1 multiply with z. Okay.
Okay.
Minus 1 is also a complex number. Minus 1 can be written as minus 1 plus 0 iota. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
We will change. We were doing mistake. We cannot multiply a Cartesian form with the polar form. Okay? We were multiplying the Cartesian form with the polar form. Okay? So
Okay.
first of all, we change this minus in polar form and z is okay. In polar form, first of all, we find r. What is r? Minus 1 square,
What square
0 square.
plus 0 square
Answer
root.
is 1. Okay.
Mm.
What will be the value of theta? Theta will, it is, wait,
Tangent inverse.
wait. We can make it. We make it on, this is a minus 1 comma 0. Okay. This is minus 1 comma 0 in point form, in order pair form, minus comma 1 comma 0. Okay. So we know that this makes pi. Clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
So our argument is pi. Okay, modulus is 1. So
Okay.
this minus 1 in polar form is equal to 1 sees pi. Okay, 1 sees pi. Clear?
Wait. 1.
1 sees pi. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So now we can multiply. Minus z means 1 sees pi. You understand the concept. We will change the polar form and we can multiply polar form with polar form. Okay, two integers will be in polar form. We cannot multiply Cartesian form with polar form. Okay.
Okay.
And it is our question z was 2 sees theta. Okay, 2 sees theta. Clear? This after multiplication we get 2 Caesar. We know that when we are multiplying Caesar phi and Caesar theta and Caesar pi, then we can add pi
Add.
plus theta. Okay.
Okay. But is this fixed? Is it like negative z is always 1 cis pi?
Yes, it is fixed, but you should not memorize it. You should memorize the concept. Okay. You should know
Okay.
how to find. You should expand it, and you should find pi. You should find angle, and you should find r value. Okay,
Okay, I'm gonna write this. Okay.
because this is also in second quadrants. Okay, in second quadrant you can also use this formula. Theta is equal to pi plus 5. Clear?
Which one? Oh yeah. Okay.
For second quadrant formula, second Coordinate formula. So as we know that this is making 0 with the x-axis, so phi is 0, okay?
Okay.
Because it is not making any angle with this x-axis, okay? This is making 0 angle because there is terminal arms and initial arm both are coincident, okay? Joined.
Okay.
So theta and this theta will be phi. It is also a way to find angle and it is also a way to find angle, okay? You should remember the concept.
Wait, let me see. Yeah, okay.
It is okay?
Yeah. Wait, two.
Let's see, and after this you say D. You should do D part, okay?
Okay.
Minus Z star. Z star means it is, for example, this Z is given. First of all, Z is 2, Z is theta, okay? You should find first Z star, okay? Z star means conjugate of Z.
Okay. Wait, D. Conjugate of Z is 2 cis negative theta.
Yes, good, great.
But that's because it's the opposite, right? The angle has to be negative, right?
Yes, good. Because
Okay.
if we expand cos theta, you know this, it is good way. And cos sin theta, okay? Because in conjugate, our here is minus, okay? I sin
Yeah.
theta. So
Okay.
cos, we can also write minus theta here, okay? There is, it is equal to cos theta, okay? Plus iota sine, this minus we can write here, okay? So if we solve, then we can get again this, okay? Then we can write C is minus theta. Clear or not clear?
Okay. Yeah. That one, yes.
Okay, now fine.
Negative. Okay, so now okay, let me write. So you said it is, let me see. Oh, okay. Negative Z is equal to negative 1 times Z, right?
Yes, minus Z. Minus Z star. Minus Z star. Conjugate of Z, okay?
Oh, okay.
Find the polar
Okay.
form of -1 and find the polar form of Z.
Okay, so the polar form of -1 is negative 1 plus.
No, wrong. It is wrong. Understand the method. Understand the method. First, write, give the name. Z, it is Z1 -1, okay? Now change it in polar form, Z1. And this is Z star, right? The Z star value, okay? Right.
Okay, so Z star is
Right,
2
Z star.
cis, wait.
Okay, good. Now change it in polar form. Change this in polar form.
So this is negative 1 plus 0i.
Yes, good. Now change. Now change.
Change, as in look for R.
Yes, find R modulus, okay?
That would just be 1. Oh
Yes.
gosh,
R,
theta is pi.
yes, data is 5, but you should do practice. How
Okay,
can?
so I can draw.
Yes,
So this is negative 1.
yes.
This one is
Comma.
0.
Yes, good.
So this angle is pi.
Yeah, here angle is pi. Here, this angle is pi.
Yeah, okay. That angle is pi here.
Clear?
Yeah.
You should write Z1. What is Z1 in polar form?
Z1 in polar form is right here.
Yes, right.
Okay. Z1 in polar form is 1 cis pi.
1 is pi, okay.
And then I multiply it, right?
Just multiply them.
Okay, so then it would be 1 cis pi.
You should also
Multiplied.
write minus z star, okay?
Okay. Multiplied by 2.
You should put all in brackets, okay? This is also in bracket. This will also in bracket. Clear?
Okay.
Okay, good, great. Okay, good. This answer is correct, okay? Now clear?
Okay. Yeah,
Concept
clear. Thank you.
D. And after the question number 4, you can do question number 4.
I think now I can do because I think it's the same thing, right?
Yes, yes.
The
Iota.
question is, let me see the question.
Write
I
iota
think
in polar form. Write iota in polar form. Can you write iota in polar form?
yeah, I can. It is 0 plus.
Write
Wait,
iota in polar form. You should
right
see.
here.
Yes, right.
Okay. Z equals to
You should
0,
write. We give the name. Let 0 plus
1i.
1i. Okay, good.
Okay, B, I think you explained it to me yesterday, but I just can't seem to get IZ.
No, no. You should find first iota in polar form. First A part. We are doing A part. Okay. Question number 4, A part.
Oh, this is not the final answer?
You should change in iota in polar form. It is in Cartesian form. You can change in polar form.
Okay, got it. Wait. It is. Need to draw.
Okay, good. Make angle, show the angle here. Okay, good. This is pi by 2.
So then in polar form, it would be 1 cis.
Yes,
Okay.
good. 1 says pi by 2, and you can also write, there is no need to write 1, okay? There we can write directly pi by 2, okay? If there is no one, you should understand there will be 1 here, okay? As we know that the denominator of 2 is 1, okay? 2, 1, 1, but we write 2, clear? Without denominator.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
All persons know that 2 is equal to 2 upon 1, and sees here is nothing, no modulus. So you should know that modulus is 1, okay? R is 1 here. So I think iota z, we did iota z in polar form, okay, in last lesson.
Yeah, we did.
Okay, question number 5. You can do question number 5.
I feel like just don't understand what the question wants me to do. Like they said write in polar form. That would be negative cis beta.
Question number 5. Let's see, in polar form means we will write A cos theta minus iota sine theta, okay? So in polar form, there will be positive here, okay? We know that there will be here. You should change.
Change to positive?
Yes, change positive, right, in polar form. First, you should make the cis form, okay? Cis is See, we write sys theta when there is positive, okay? Cos theta
Yeah.
plus iota sin theta. And when both angles are same, clear? Now
Mm-hmm.
change it. How can we make a plus here?
Put this one as negative.
Yes, yes, do it in this step. Do it. Okay.
Do I put this angle as negative as well or no?
Yes, yes. You should also put, because here if we put minus or if here is positive, there is no problem. Okay, but our angles will be same. If here is a negative, you should also put here negative. Okay.
Okay.
Now write in cis form. Okay, in polar form.
So polar form is just this.
Yes, this is polar form. Okay.
That's all?
This is polar form. Clear?
Yeah, okay.
I can think B. You can change B in polar form. Sin theta, delta cos theta. Now do it.
Okay, so I can rearrange it first, right? Oh
Yes.
gosh, no. Um, like that?
No, wrong. We cannot write minus theta because it will be equal to minus sin theta. But our here is the positive sin theta. Okay,
Okay.
it's wrong. So you understand that? You understand? In
Okay.
cis form, first we need. You should. We don't need here iota. Okay, we need iota or don't need iota here.
Don't need.
So first you change the form. First you change the order, right? Change the order. First write cos term and then write sin theta term. First do it.
Okay, so cos first and
Yes, yes. Cos. Also write iota minus iota sin. Iota cos theta plus sin theta. Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Now see here. We don't need iota here. Okay? Minus iota. You should take minus iota common. Can you take minus iota common?
Minus how?
See here, our need is to remove this, okay, to vanish. So we will take, we want to take minus iota common. So here is no minus iota. We will do multiply and divide minus iota here, okay? Our need is to take minus iota common. Now I take minus iota common, okay? We can do, we can multiply and divide sin theta with any number, okay? Our requirement is to take minus iota common. So direct process is that if we take minus iota outside, then we will put minus iota in denominator. Okay. So you can also do this process. Clear? Do it.
Is this like rationalizing?
No, this is you understand that if there is 3 upon 2, so we can multiply equivalent fraction. Okay. We can multiply and divide with any same number, 3 or 4, 2. Both are equivalent fractions. Okay. We can multiply a same number in denominator and numerator. Okay.
Okay.
So our need is the minus iota. We want to take minus iota common from numerator. So we will put minus iota in numerator and denominator. So in this way, we can take minus iota common. Okay.
Okay.
Take minus iota common.
So now this one is gone, right? So we only left with cosine theta, right?
Take minus iota common outside the bracket.
Oh, okay. Wait, let me see.
Minus iota. Okay, good. Here This will be opposite. Okay, 1 upon minus iota. Okay, good. Sine theta.
Okay.
Okay. Now this is minus iota. Okay, and you should do rationalization. This first you should write this minus here. We can write minus here.
Yeah, we can. Already it is.
Cos theta minus 1 upon iota sine theta. Okay.
Sine. Okay.
You should do rationalization. You can do rationalization of iota 1 upon iota.
No.
You cannot do.
I multiply it. I multiply it by what? Iota 101.
Rationalization. What is rationalization? Understand? In rationalization, we multiply. For example, this is integer. This is a complex number. Then we will multiply and divide its conjugate. Okay. Rationalization. But if there is pure imaginary number, okay, pure complex number with, for example, in iota form, okay. So we will multiply and divide with iota, okay.
Okay. So
you
now
can
I multiply it by
and divide its conjugate. There is no problem. But here in this case, you can multiply with the same or its conjugate. Okay. You have two options.
Okay.
Now do.
So I multiply it by I over I.
Yes. Good.
Okay, wait. I can't see anything.
You cannot see. Okay. Here you should do. So, here you should do. Okay. Here in this side.
Okay. Okay. So, I write the whole thing again.
Yes. Whole thing again, but we will change only. You should do iota here, solve it here, solve.
Okay.
You should multiply and divide iota here.
Okay.
Also write sine theta, Okay.
Okay, that would be -1.
Yes.
Cosine theta minus (1 over I).
No. Iota over iota square.
Yeah.
Sine
theta.
Iota over iota. What is the value of iota square?
-1.
Yes, put it.
Oh, okay. Plus I sine theta.
Yes, good. Now, can you write in Caesar form this?
This one is -I cis theta.
Okay. Now understand. We will wait. I see the answer. That's number 5. Okay, good. So now understand. Now we were multiplying. This and this, but it is in Cartesian form. It is in polar form. Clear?
Yeah.
You should change both in polar form and then multiply. Can you do?
Both in polar form. So now I change the I into polar form, right?
Yes, not I, minus I. Okay?
Okay, can.
If
should I do
more space, then we can move to next. Okay? Here you should change. Okay?
Okay, I change it here. So it would be
you can
0 minus. Wait.
You can give any name. Okay?
Any name?
Yes.
A.
No, not A. Integers are, and we can give the name Z, Z1, Z2, Z3, Z4. Okay, because it is complex number. Pure.
Okay, Z2.
Yes, Z2 or Z1 or Z. Okay, Z2. Yes, good.
Uh, let me erase this. I need more space.
Yes,
So
go.
it's
We
0.
move to next page. Okay. Okay. Yes. Here
Okay, then I look for.
you should find R and theta.
Okay, R is negative. Okay, 0 squared plus negative 1 square root equals to 1.
Yes, good, great.
Can I do theta here?
Okay, for
Theta.
theta. Yes.
Let me draw.
You should draw. You should draw. In this way, you can find. Okay, theta.
0, negative 1 here. So it's this angle. Okay, it's negative pi over 2.
Yes, it is good. Minus pi over 2. Okay, good. Right, it's
Okay, and
polar form. Z2 in polar form. What is Z2 in polar form?
so Z2 in polar form is, can I write here?
You can write here. You should write here.
Where?
Okay, write it. Write it in polar form.
Okay, wait. Z2 in polar form is 1 cis negative pi over 2.
Okay. Now find the question answer.
Multiply.
Yes. This is our sine theta minus iota cos theta. Write it. Right here.
For which one? This one, right? You're talking about this one, right?
Yes, do. Yes.
Okay, I'll go down no space.
Okay.
Is oh gosh, this one is, wait, I'm thinking.
Put them both in polar form and multiply. It is very easy.
Okay, so 1 cis negative pi over 2.
Yes, minus pi over
This
2.
one is a bracket times cis theta.
Put in bracket, okay? Put in bracket.
Okay.
Okay, here there is no need of bracket. Without bracket it is good.
So then it's cis
Is
negative pi over 2
yes.
plus theta.
You should write theta minus pi over 2, okay?
Okay.
Says theta minus pi over 2, okay? This is our correct answer, okay? Now clear?
Okay. Yeah, but this is very hard.
It is, if you should understand, first of all, we see the polar form, okay? What is our cis form? What is our polar form? In polar form, cos is first and sine is last, okay? So in polar form, there will be no minus iota, okay? So we will take minus iota common because here is no common minus iota. So we will take also minus iota common from numerator. So we will put minus iota in denominator, okay? Directly.
Okay, wait. Okay.
So in this way we will do rationalization. In rationalization, we will multiply with conjugate, okay? In numerator and denominator. Clear? If we have
but wait, I just don't understand this part. Wait, this part.
From it.
Wait, where is it? Like here, this step.
Yes. In this step, we are taking minus iota common. This thing we are taking common, okay?
Okay, so we multiply it by.
Because minus iota is here, but minus iota is not here, okay? We want to take common from two terms, okay? So in our last term, there is no minus iota. So we want to take minus iota from common from numerator. So we will multiply and divide with minus iota. Clear?
Okay, yeah.
We multiply with minus iota and divide with minus iota. We take minus iota common and this will remain as, okay? So you understand? It is clear?
Yeah.
I think in last we get this quantity in cis form, but we are multiplying minus iota with cis theta. Minus iota is in polar form, in a Cartesian form, and cis theta is in polar form. So both are different. So we change both in polar form and then we can multiply. Okay, we need our answer in polar form. So we find we change both in polar form. First is already in polar form, but we change minus iota in polar form. We first find modulus and we also find modulus and argument. Okay, so we write r cis theta form, put the value of theta and r is 1 and theta is minus pi. Okay, in this way we can get. So you should make complex number. Question number 6. You know how to solve?
Yeah, that one I got it. That one I got the answers.
Okay. Question number 6. Wait, I solve one. You have completed all questions?
Yeah, I completed both 6A and B.
You have completed A and B. Okay, good. So your answer were correct?
Yeah, correct.
Okay, first I give you task. You should change this one quantity. Okay, in simple form.
Okay.
First you change it because we know that cos theta is real part and sin theta is imaginary part. Okay, so you should change this angle. I want to know. I want to see how can you change this angle. Theta plus 2n into 2 pi. You should find co-terminal angle. Okay. Smallest co-terminal angle. Smaller co-terminal angle. Clear?
That is, yeah. Okay. Wait. That is. Do it here.
Yes. Right here. Change it in this form and find the co-terminal angle of 11 pi by 12. Okay.
Okay. 11 pi by 12 is 165 degrees, right?
Yes.
Okay, wait, give me a second.
And also write theta plus n into 360 degree. Okay. Both are correct.
Okay. Okay, what I did was
You should make the figure. Okay. In figure you can find easily. Okay. This is figure. Clear?
Okay.
You should find in degree. In degree, what is in degree? 11 pi.
165.
165.
Yeah.
Degree. Okay.
I think so, right? Wait, I'm gonna calculate it.
11 into 180. 11 into 180 divided by 12. 165. Okay.
Okay, so 165.
160.
So 160.
Here 90 plus 90 plus.
Oops.
90 plus 75. Okay.
Yeah, but we can also, can we say 120 plus 45?
Yeah, this is 90. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, you should tell me what was your co-terminal angle. Tell me. This 165 was your co-terminal angle.
No, I used 120 plus 45.
Okay, 165. You are using 120 plus 45.
Yeah.
You can change in 2 pi form. You cannot change in this form. We cannot change in this form. Theta plus n into 360. Okay.
Ooh.
We cannot change. Understand?
Because n cannot be an odd number, right? It has to be even.
N may be any number. Okay. But You take a common from this number. This number we cannot find n into 360. Okay.
But can n be 1/3?
You want n is equal to 1/3. What will be here?
1/3, 360.
360. Okay. 360 plus
45.
n will not be in fraction form.
Okay, okay. Then it has to be
n is integer. N is integer. N integer, positive, negative. So it is not good way. So you should understand, because we do 12 pi minus pi. Okay. 12 pi minus pi over 12. 12 pi minus pi. 12 pi upon 12. Okay. Minus pi upon 12. Okay. We can do it, but understand, we get pi minus pi over 12. Okay. So this is also not good way. Okay.
24 pi?
Yes, it is not good way. Okay. Understand.
Okay. But what if we use 24 pi here?
12 minus pi, we will get again for 11 pi. Okay. You are understanding or not understanding? Wait.
Yeah.
Wait, we see our answer. B4. Okay. Understand. It is the other way. Okay. Understand. Different way. Okay. We need to find the cos value. Okay. Cos and sine value. Clear?
Yeah.
See here. 11 pi by 4. It is equal to 165 degree. Clear?
11 pi by 12.
It is 45 degree plus 180.
120.
No. 120. minus
15.
11 into 180 divided by 12. 165. 45 plus 45 and 45. Wait. Cos pi by 12. $120. Okay, good. So you understand. 120, okay? 120 degree.
Okay.
120 degree, so 11 pi by 4. So if we solve it in degree form, so answer will be same, okay? Cos.
Okay.
You can also change 120 degree and 45 in pi form. Can you? Okay. First we solve in degree form, it will be easy, okay? 45 plus 120 degree, okay? Clear? You should change your in degree. So we know the formula cos 45. You can find the you know the formula cos alpha plus beta.
I know what cos 45. Yeah, cos alpha plus beta is. We did this yesterday.
Tell me. You should write
Cos
the
alpha plus. Okay. Cos alpha plus beta is cos alpha. Wait, I don't know what my pen is like. Wait.
alpha.
Cos beta.
Yes, and opposite sign. Okay. Different.
Minus sine alpha. Wait.
Sine beta.
Sine beta.
Okay, good.
And then this one is just the opposite.
Here is the okay.
Plus
Here use the same formula. Okay.
Okay.
Cos 120 and because cos 120 and minus sine 45 degree cos sine 45 sine 120 degree. Okay. What is the cos 45 and sine 45 degree?
Root of 2 over 2.
1
over root of 2.
Under root 2. Okay. Cos 20.
Okay.
We don't know this value. Okay. We are using without calculator. Sine 45 degree. What is answer?
1 over root of 2.
Under root 2. Okay. Sine 120. Now tell me change in 120 in this form. We have angles 30, 60, 45, 0, okay, and 90. We know the value of these angles. So can you change this cos 120?
Cos 120 is 1/2.
You should change again. Cos 30 plus 90. Okay? 2 sine 30 plus 90 degree. Clear? 30 degree and 90. It's clear or not clear?
Yeah.
So you should again expand. Okay? Okay. On next page, you should expand and find the answer. Okay? In this way, we can find all answer. Cause you did this method.
Oh, yeah, I did this method.
Okay. Can you send me the other question picture if you did this? Can you send me picture now? You should solve it.
Yeah, well, I put an X, but you can check. I'll send it to you.
11 pi by 12.
This one is 6b. And this one is 6d.
Okay.
I solved for this one?
Yes.
Okay, so this one is cosine 30. Wait, but I know what cosine 120 is, right? Wait, let me think.
Okay,
cosine 30.
You should use this because we don't know the formula. Okay, because we are using without calculator. Clear?
Yeah. Okay. Cosine 90 is 0.
Cos 90 0. Okay, right, 0.
And then cos 30 is root 3 over 2.
That's good. Now right. No, you should not put this. See here. This will be in bracket. This has 2 parts. Okay. This 2.
This one has 2 parts.
Yes, this has 2 parts. Now write other part. This is cos alpha plus beta formula. Okay.
Okay.
This was correct. This was correct. This was first part. Cos alpha, cos beta. Okay. And write other
minus sine 30 is 1/2.
Yes. Sine 30.
And that is 1.
1. Good.
Okay.
Minus. You should write minus here. Minus here. This is outside.
Okay.
Now do. You can
For
do
this
it.
one, right?
Yes,
For
one of.
this part, right?
Yes, yes, do it, do it.
Okay, okay. I can do that here. So 1/2
Yes. Under root. There is also under.
sine. Oh yeah. Okay, sine. Let me look at this.
Sin alpha plus beta formula. Remember the sin alpha plus beta formula. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What is formula? Sin alpha plus beta is a sin alpha
Cos
cos
beta.
beta plus same sign. Cos
Cos 90 is 0 plus cos 30 is root of 3/2.
3/2. Okay.
And sine 90 is 1.
Okay, good, great.
Okay, that's it.
One term will be 0. You should ignore this
This
term.
is 0. That's 0. So 1 over root of 2 is -1/2
Yes.
minus 1 over root of 2 times root of 3/2.
Okay,
So
good.
the answer is just root of 2 minus root of 3/2 root of 2.
Okay,
That's
there need to do rationalization. Okay, when there will be radical sign in denominator. Okay, then you should need to do do rationalization. Can you do rationalization?
okay.
Do rationalization.
Okay, give me a second.
Multiply and divide with under root 2. Okay.
Okay, so it would look like that, right?
Yes. First you should
Wait,
yes. First is 2 plus 2 under root 2 under root 2. Okay. First is
yeah.
this. First write this and then do rationalization now. Clear?
Yeah, so multiply this by 2 root of 2.
Okay, it is also good, but if you do only under root 2, our need is to remove under root. You should write under root 2. Okay, it will be not wrong, but it you need to do simplification.
Okay.
Also put
So
line.
Okay, so at the bottom here, it would just be 4.
Yes.
On top, it would be negative root of 2.
Yes, good.
Minus root of 6. Oh.
I think this will be answer for 11 pi by. Yes. You understand how to solve the questions?
Yeah.
You remember the
So this one I must use the rule, right?
Yes, you should use the rules. Okay. This cos alpha plus beta, sin alpha. You should be expert of these formulas. Okay. You should remember the table and you should also remember these formulas. Okay. So we will use these formulas. These are basic things. You should try to expert in basic things. Okay. Clear? I think this exercise is easy for you. Now you can do practice. Okay. You do practice and solve it.
Okay.
You are using calculator. You do without using calculator. Okay. You should do practice. This table is there is the application of table. Okay. Sometimes they can say you should remember the values for 0, 30, okay, 60, and 45 degree, 90 degree. Okay. In this way you can get the answer. Clear?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Other. Now we move to next exercise. Next exercise is also easy. Okay.
Okay.
Properties of argument. Properties of argument. Okay. We know that if Z is equal to C is the properties is of argument. Okay. Argument means angle. Angle with positive x-axis. We draw integer integer as a, we can draw integer as a position vector. Okay, as a position vector, and position vector makes angle with the positive x-axis in clockwise or in anti-clockwise direction. This is called the argument. Okay, z is equal to sec theta, and z2 is equal to sec phi. Can you tell me z1, z2?
Right.
Yes, write it. Write it.
It is cis.
Okay, good. So z1, z2 is sec theta plus phi. Sec theta plus phi. Clear? So understand. You understand argument of what is the argument? Argument of z1 and z2.
I have to expand this and change it into Cartesian form.
No. Argument means angle.
This one?
This one is argument, you know?
Okay.
Argument. Modulus is the value of its z is modulus. R value gives us modulus. Okay. R is modulus. Okay. Theta plus. What is theta? Theta is argument of z1. Okay. What is phi? Phi is argument of z2. Clear?
Yeah.
This is same formula. z1, z2. If we are multiplying two complex numbers, then their argument will be equal to we will add the arguments of z1 and z2. Then we get the argument of z1, product of z1 and z2. Okay.
Okay.
So these are properties. You understand the properties. What will be the argument of z upon w?
Z upon W?
Yes. It will be same in previous in last lesson we did the multiplication. You understand? What is Z1 Z2? What is Z1 Z2?
It is Z1 minus Z2.
What is sec theta and sec phi? Okay. What will be resultant? Tell me.
Sec theta minus phi.
What is the argument? What is argument?
This one, theta minus phi.
Right, theta minus phi.
Theta minus phi.
Our
okay.
Z is equal to sec theta, okay? Our W is equal to sec phi. Clear? And now tell me, theta is argument, right? Argument of Z upon W. What is theta? Theta is argument of Z, right? Theta is argument of Z minus argument of W.
Wait, so it's argument of Z?
Argument of W. Clear? When we are dividing two complex numbers, then we can get the argument. We can get the angle of their division, okay? You should find the argument of Z and argument of W. Then you subtract them. In this way, you can get the argument of their division, okay?
Okay.
Remember these formulas. There is also other formula you should remember. The argument of Z raised power n. Z raised power n, its argument is n, argument Z.
Argument Z.
Clear?
Yeah.
Understand. De Moivre's theorem. Okay, understand. In De Moivre's theorem, Zn is equal to R sec theta. Okay, this is sec theta, there is n. So there will be Rn sec n theta. Okay?
Okay.
So argument of Zn is equal to n theta. Clear?
And theta.
N and theta is argument of Z. Clear?
Okay, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, good. These are formulas, and in example 16, they proved it. Okay, but we know how to prove. Okay. Now, argument of 2Z. Okay, find the argument of 2Z. Find argument of 2Z. 2Z. I give you Z. Z is if Z is equal to under root 2 is theta. Okay.
Okay.
Find it. Find it.
Wow. Argument of 2Z.
Yes. Z value is given.
So I multiplied the Z by 2?
Yes, they are multiplied. They are multiplied. Okay. Okay. Good.
Like that?
Yes, good.
Okay.
Can you multiply Cartesian form and polar form?
Expand this?
Here we need argument.
Oh.
Okay? Argument. What is the argument
Okay.
of two numbers? Two integers Z and W. Write the formula. Yes. You have also two numbers. You can give a name Z and W. One name Z and other name W. Okay.
Like that?
Yes. Find the argument of Z and argument of W. Can you find?
Okay. So this is Z right here. So Z is like 2 plus 0i.
Yes, good. You can draw it. You can draw, okay?
Okay, so I get R first, right?
There's no need R. We need argument. We need angle only.
Oh, okay.
You should draw.
Okay, so
draw the picture. Draw the argand plane, okay?
2. This is 2.
What is
So
argument?
this is 0, 0.
That's right.
Wait, this. Wait,
Zero.
let me erase.
Right, argument of Z is equal to 0. Right, argument of Z is equal to 0.
Okay. And then W, right?
Yes. And you draw the picture, then you should also draw arrow here, okay? And also write.
But isn't the argument of W this one, theta?
Yes. What is the argument of W?
Theta.
Right, argument of W. Yes. Argument of W is equal to theta. Now put values. Argument of ZW. Argument of Z. ZW means 2Z. Okay?
Is equal to theta.
Yes, theta. Clear?
Yeah. Okay.
Argument of 2Z is theta. What is the our other task is to find the modulus of 2Z. Modulus means modulus of 2Z. Can you find modulus of 2Z?
Okay, so here I already have. Here I already have. I can find my modulus here, right? From this equation.
Yes. Find both modulus of both, okay, and then multiply them.
This is the modulus for Z.
2.
And then the modulus for, this is, okay, the modulus for Z. And the modulus for W is root of 2.
Yes, good.
So this one here would be 2 times
2 times under root, okay? This is the modulus, clear?
yeah.
In argument, in modulus, both we multiply, okay?
Can't I just use this? Can't I just multiply these together?
Yes. Argument is, what is argument? See here. ZW. 2Z argument, it is a 2, C is the 5, okay? C is 0, okay? It is under root 2, C is the theta, okay? Clear, understand it? 2 under root 2.
Okay.
You understand theta plus 0? What is the argument? What is the modulus? What is the modulus? Okay. Modulus is this. Before C's there is a number. This is called the argument. Okay. No, this is the modulus.
Modulus. Okay.
Modulus of 2z. 2z we can also show 2z. Modulus can be denoted as, okay, 2 under root 2. Clear?
Yeah.
If you find, if you feel difficult, then you should find the pole. You should multiply polar form. You can get the angle. This is the modulus, and this is the modulus. 2 under root 2 is modulus, and this is argument. Okay.
Okay.
Argument of 2z. Okay. You can also directly multiply. Okay. In division form, it is a division. Clear?
Yeah.
Argument, you understand? You can also remember the formulas, okay?
Okay.
Modulus formulas, okay? Modulus of Z and W. We can denote ZW. It is equal to modulus of Z, modulus of W. Clear?
Okay.
Modulus of Z, modulus of Z. Modulus of Z of W. Clear?
Yeah.
So, but in division form, you know that if there is C is theta and there is 2, C is 5, okay? In division form, we write 2 upon 3, C is theta minus 5.
Minus. Okay.
Okay? But here this is modulus. So you should know modulus of Z and W. What is modulus of Z and Z upon W? It is modulus of Z and modulus of W. Clear?
Yeah.
Modulus of Z upon W, it is equal to modulus of Z.
Wait, but this one is not, this is addition, not multiply?
This is multiply, but in multiplication, modulus is multiply. Multiplication of modulus, okay?
Okay. Okay.
There's multiplication. In above formula, we also written Z and W. It is multiplication, okay?
Okay.
Z modulus of W. Modulus of W. Clear or not clear?
Yeah. Yes, clear.
Modulus of ZW, modulus of Z upon. Okay, what will be the modulus? You should tell me. Modulus of Z raised power N.
N times Z.
Tell me.
N times Z? No?
No, wrong. First find Zn in polar form. Z is equal to R C is theta. C is theta or Z is equal to Z modulus C is theta. First change it. Find the Zn value.
Okay, so Z is R cis theta, right?
Theta and whole power n.
To the power of n. So then it's R to the power of n cis and theta.
Okay, what is the meaning of R raised power n? R raised power n?
R is the modulus.
Yes, is n theta. Clear?
Yeah.
So what is the value of Zn? Modulus of Z raised power n.
This one, this whole thing?
This is the modulus of Z, okay? Z raised power n, right?
Yeah.
Rn, you can write Rn or Zn, okay?
Okay.
Modulus of Z whole power n. Clear?
Yeah.
Understand, remember these formulas and understand the concept, okay?
Mm.
I am briefly explaining and teaching you also basic concepts. You should write all concepts on your register and do practice daily, okay? So
Okay.
this will also help you in your other topics, okay? So use
Right.
for polar form. I think you can do example number 17. See example number 17.
Example number 17. Yeah, okay.
Modulus and argument. You should remember the formula. If you cannot remember the formula, then you should multiply, and then you should multiply them, you should divide them, and then before C's there will be the modulus, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And there will be modulus before C's, okay? And
Mm-hmm.
angle of C's there will be, you can get the resultant here, the number, this will be the modulus and this will be the argument angle here, okay?
Okay.
There are two methods. If you cannot find the, remember the formula 1 minus iota Z, you should find modulus of 1 minus iota into Z and argument. Find it.
Wait. Modulus of. Okay. So this is what we're looking for?
Yes, they are multiply. If you cannot remember the formula, you should multiply them, okay? Multiply them, and as a resultant, you can get the number. Number will be the modulus, and angle will be the argument. Clear?
Okay.
It will be easy. It will be easy for you, okay? You should also try to remember formulas. There are 3 formulas for modulus and 3 for argument, okay?
Okay, but if they give you a question like that, right? Modulus of 1 minus IZ.
Yes.
What do the Z I'll just write?
What is Z? Okay, wait, I give you Z. Z is equal to under root 2 C is the theta, okay?
Oh, okay.
Now find.
Okay, so that means, okay, so it would be, I'm going to just write this. Okay, modulus, right? Wait, the modulus for, okay, this is Z. Okay, this is W. And so the modulus.
You can directly write the bar, okay? There is no need to write 1 minus iota, write bar, okay? Lines.
Okay.
This shows the modulus, okay? What is value?
Which is just root of 2 times root of 2, which is 2.
It's 2, okay. Argument.
Argument, okay. Argument, I write it here.
Yes, argument.
ZW.
Yes, you just okay, ZW.
Argument Z is theta. Argument W is, okay, argument W I have to draw. 1 here. Okay.
You should
That would
write.
be, that would, okay, wait. Okay. It's
What was formula?
negative pi over 4.
Yes, minus 10 upon 5 over 4. 1 upon 10 upon 5 over 4. Okay, good. Right, minus 5 over 4.
So it's just 0, no, not 0. Theta minus pi over 4.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay, good. I think you are expert of these questions, okay? And you can find modulus of the it will be that I think you can do questions, okay?
Okay.
You should try them, and next time you should tell me if I think you will feel some difficulty in some question, then I will teach you, okay?
Okay,
There is also other concept. There is also
15b5.
Yes, next time I will also tell you other concept related to this exercise, but you should try to do this exercise, okay?
Okay, can.
Next time you should tell me what was difficult, okay?
Okay, sure.
Okay. Okay,
All
bye.
right, thank you. Bye.